Did anyone get in on, I tested it for 579 and I was about to get at 570. Let's see. 2 minutes left. I am a little bit wary about the 2 minutes. I might want to push down a little bit lower. I have 3 people coming in, you guys, so give me a second. Just trying to decide where it wants to go right now. And there we go. Anyone enter in on that? Very low, 570s.
We're going at 570.
We have 2 minutes left. It might push down and then push back up. So rollover might be necessary unless you're in profit. So just make sure you have your button on that rollover just in case it comes down. USD has some news, so it could be spiky, you guys. All right. There we go. There we go. That's what we want. Stay up there. All right, awesome. I expire at 428. I missed my 3%, you guys, as I was trying to get people inside the chat. But I definitely got my 1%. I got it for sure. Definitely missed my 3%, but this was a good 3% move. It's gone. It's out of here. Home run. Let's go. Good morning, Bernice. Good morning, Julissa. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, Doug. Thule. All right, you guys, I'm about to clear in 3 seconds.
Good morning.
Awesome, Claudia. Awesome, Matt. Awesome. All right, let's look for the next setup. Let's see, currency strike meter. Euro, we did Euro USD. Let's try Euro AUD. Let's see what's up with Euro AUD. Come on. Oh, 61/27 too. This looks a little, oh, we had the cross down a Euro AUD, you guys. Euro AUD. All right, we have the bottom RSI. The first support level is at 260. Lows are 190. It's gonna cross up now, most likely. Let's see. And it just created a new support level at 297. That's a little bit off though. 295. Yeah, that's a little bit off. It would have to come all the way down near 300s just to snatch it, you guys. I'll make sure the currency strength is right on this. All right, it's gonna try hitting that second support there. There we go. It's on that first support. You guys see that support it just made, that line? That's an indication to try to get in there. It just drew a new support and it might just be going up from here. The first RSI has already crossed down and wants to cross up. The second one wants to cross up as well. It's going to most likely fly from here. Is anyone in on this one? Hourglass did tell us 313. You guys came all the way down to 319. Waiting that 2 minutes. There we go. Came down again. I want that cross up. I want to see that cross up there. See those pullbacks, you guys? You see how the market's pulling back every time it's going to come down to your price. Like it pulled back that first from 604, literally only took a minute, and then it came down again. And then again, took another minute and came down to price again. And then this one most likely will take another minute or two. We should be good if you guys are in this. I'm about to clear at 9:41. And that's going to be just enough time before the next candle prints. You see why you guys get in, a minute before? Because when you get in like a minute before the next candle, you guys, you literally have enough time for it to kind of stay up there before it drops, because anything can happen in the next candle. But I'm about to clear it now. There we go, clearing in 2 seconds. All right. All right, you guys, 2-0. We're doing good. We're doing good, you guys. This is good session. This is a good market this morning. This is what I'm talking about. This is where we can start going a little bit heavier on our leverage. Remember, we could do some of those, but I'm not going to ever mention a high leverage trade because you guys need to figure it out on your own. I won't be responsible for that. So you're just letting you guys know that the market, when it's doing good like this, it's a good indication of, thinking about it. But I haven't done a high leverage trade yet. I'm just taking it slow. I'm making sure the market's not flipping on me. And maybe now I'm going to think about taking a big entry. So just be aware. Let's see. We tried Euro USD. We just tried Euro AUD. Let's see Euro NZD. Let's try going down the list. Let's see Euro NZD. 59. Wow, 59 over 29. This looks like it's kind of wanting to go down. It's already been up forever. Oh, it just went above that. If it breaks that, maybe we can buy it. Let's see. Euro NZD. Man, that middle line is like what I don't like, you guys. So this is where it's 50%. It's going to decide whether it's going to go up from here. You want to wait till that resistant line breaks, because if that resistant line breaks at 250, we're going all the way up to 418 to 4, or yeah, we're going up from 280 to 387 before the next resistance. So I would want to wait to see what would happen. We have a buy button right there underneath the first skull stick. There's a buy button. So that's an indication that it is going to push up. 59 over 24. Let me just check the currency strength. I'd want to wait for that next 2 minutes, you guys. The RSI is already on top as well. If you guys notice, both the RSIs are trying to head towards that way. If it's past that middle, in between the red and blue, it's buyers are in control right now. So right now it's telling me buyers are in control. Since we have 2 minutes left, I'm just gonna look for another pair really quick. Let me see here. I just don't like how that looks. Let me see. I guess there's no EuroCAD. No. Okay, so we went through all the losers. All right, so let's see. Oh, yeah, I'm not gonna mess with this one, you guys. I'm gonna leave it alone. Let's see. So JPY next. So JPY is our pumper. It's been pumping forever. Let's try JPY, GBP JPY. GBP JPY. This looks like even though it has currency strength is lower, it looks like it would be a buying situation, GBPY, just because it's on that support. Looks like it's breaking it now. Yeah, it just broke it. So this is not a buy anymore. This is good. This is not a buy anymore, you guys. This is just a sell. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna look for another one. Some of these are like in that middle line right there. That's not what I really like. AUD JPY, let's see. There's a lot of support right here. Some of them are kind of getting in the middle. Let's see if we can find some more. CHF, we're going to look after CHF. CHF. Let me make sure this GBP CHF. I'm looking at GBP CHF. Looks like 0.82 would be good, but I'm a little hesitant because it isn't a downtrend. And the 200 EMA is like the price is below it, but we have the bottom RSI. If it breaks right there, we're most likely going to have to ignore it. But if it doesn't, we need a bounce. We need a good bounce here. We have 3 minutes. I'm going to wait until that 3 minutes. Remember, like I said, that candle is going to tell us whatever it does right here. Yeah, this keeps falling. So then if it keeps falling, we just leave it, you guys. We don't really need to chase after it. There's really no support. Once it goes past that middle line, it's going to come all the way down. So at least it's going to want to come all the way down. I'm going to try USD JPY. 64 over 31. Yeah, I was just looking at Euro USD as well. Is this what it looks like? Is it, my chart's all glitching actually. Is this what it looks like? Because it's coming down. If that's what it is, we could totally go to Euro USD. Is that coming down right now? Euro USD. Oh, yep. It looks like it is coming down. We'd want to wait, you guys, for that bottom RSI. 549. It's at 561 right now. Make sure currency strength, Euro. USD is pushing it down, actually. This might be pushing it even lower. There's 552. There we go. There was 550s. That's the support, you guys. That's the support. It just bounced massively up there. I would have bought this, Ryan, and waited for the bottom price at 550. I would not sell this because the currency strength is in the uptrend, and it looks like it just kind of it started its uptrend, then stopped, and then it started a new uptrend again. That was a good one. That was a good one for a buy. Came pretty fast down to that support in that middle line, like bounced straight off of it. Hourglass is saying 584 and below. Came to down to 585. Is anyone in this? I missed the bottom price. I'm just anyone in this? If not, I can move on.
Yeah, I'm not in it. I missed it.
I got in at 568.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, that came pretty fast, you guys. That came down pretty fast. That was a good one.
8 seconds though.
Let's see. Seems like Euro's giving us a good time. So let's stick with Euro pairs. Let's see. Euro GBP. Let's look at Euro GBP or GBP Euro, whatever it is. Looks like if Euro GBP comes down to 0.84 for a buy, but I don't know. It looks like it's going to continue up there. Yeah, it looks like it's just going to continue pushing up. Let's see. Let's see if it gives us that price. Yeah, I think this is going to stay up there. Looking for a new pair. I think that's just going to stay up there. Let's see. Bear with me, guys. I'm trying to look for some good setups. I'm not really seeing much. Let's see. Things are at the bottom right now. Let's see. I have to refresh my hourglass. It's not showing my support. Give me a second. All right, there we go. USD JPY. I kind of like USD JPY. Or let me see, GBP Chief. I can't, for some reason, GBP Chief's not loading my, oh, there's the support. I can't tell if that's what it looks like, you guys, but it's on the bottom. I don't know if I would want to buy that because it's 84/40. I would test that, but I wouldn't go all in on that. 200 EMAs, prices below it, so it looks like it could be going lower. I'm looking at USD JPY. You can sell it at 597 all the way up to 630. Looks like this blue candles are getting smaller. I would want to sell this 608 all the way up to 630s, maybe 640s. There he is, 620s. Let's see. 3 minutes left. You can test it here if it comes spikes up and then spikes down. I want it to get a 3% around 630-ish to 640-ish range. So as high as it can go. 2 minutes on that candle. So remember, when I say test, you guys look at the past history. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 supports that turned into resistance. So that means price has to break through that first one, that second one, that third one, and that fourth one. It could pull back again. Yeah, when the candle is about a minute left, or if you see the pullbacks are another indication. Pullbacks and the candle, obviously like right now, it's probably either going to shoot up and do a pullback, or it's going to decide where it's going to go in the next minute right now. So there's most likely going to be a pullback, and then yeah, just like that, it just did a pullback and then it dropped. You see that? So usually, like I said, around that last minute, you guys, that's where it does that pullback. That's why there's a minute and 30 seconds left. It varies really. It's like a minute to like 30 seconds. It does pullbacks. And how you guys just want to simply look at it. Yeah, I'll show you what I look. If you guys look on my broker account, I just cleared those two because I tested it with 10 bucks. I made a total of 20, and I finally got my account up to 800 this morning, you guys. So I just got to 799 from 750 or 770 from last night. So you see these pullbacks here, right? As the next candle is doing it, there's a minute left, right? Within that minute to a minute 30 seconds, you have these pullbacks. It's going to go 1, 2, and then 3, and then usually right in that area over here, this is your opportunity to test it. And then let's just say, you know, not that first pullback, but this second pullback, right? Let's just say you tested it with 10 bucks. Well, your next decision could be the next pullback, because as it's creating new lower lows, you could just pretty much take a $30 trade here for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then just obviously kind of clear it right now. But you really want to get it right as it's coming up. And then obviously a minute, 30 seconds left. You miss that, wait for the pullback, get in there, and then you have a second opportunity and a third one. And then obviously right over here, you guys, that's your fourth opportunity to try to take another sell. So these pullbacks are going to give you the price again, but you initially want to get in before that like last pullback. Okay. So if you miss it, you miss it. You don't, you don't.